What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to replace the license plate lights on your 2002. I might actually go all the way up to 2018 now. For sure 2002 to 2008. This should also cover the 09 to current Ram 1500 as well. The half tons, or sorry, the 2500s and the 3500s are 1 year behind the half tons always as far as body style. So this will also apply to the 2003 on up to 2008 25 and 3500s. It should also apply for the 09 to current. So actually pretty simple. As you can see, I have my factory ones in there still, just the incandescents that are on right now, not so bright. Very easy to replace these. Alright, so replacement of the factory bulbs, or if you're upgrading to LEDs, is pretty simple actually. You just gotta lay on the ground, get underneath the rear bumper here, and come on the back side of the bumper, and you'll see license plate light here, and there's one, obviously, there's one on the other side over here as well, of course, on the other side of the plate. So very simple to remove them. You just rotate the socket counterclockwise and pull out. By the way, while you're down here is a good time to check your spare tire for air pressure, because everybody always forgets about that. So we're over to the next one now, and again, rotate counterclockwise, pull out. Now to get the old lights out, you just simply pull the light straight out from the socket. If it's corroded in there, you might have to wiggle it or use a little bit more effort. I'm using one hand, so it's a little bit difficult, but there we go. Same with the other side. Okay, so your factory bulbs are going to be either a 194 or a 168 bulb. I will put links in the description for both if you choose to purchase, if you'd like to purchase a factory set of, standard bulbs. Otherwise, I got these from Diode Dynamics. They seem to specialize in kind of the Dodges. Supposedly, I've had an issue with my Dodge Dakota where I replaced the dome lights and the map lights in the cab with LEDs. Same with the cargo lamps. And the lights were always on, even when the truck was off and locked, just a little tiny bit. They were very, very dim, but they were on. Supposedly these don't do that. So these are an HP5 in cool white. You can also see it says 168, 194 on there. I'll post a link in the description where I got these as well. So yeah, you're just gonna open these up and reverse order what it took to remove these. Push the new ones into place. If there's any corrosion in the sockets, it's a good time to get a wire brush and kind of clean that out best you can, or put a new socket on there. Make sure if you are going to be doing anything wiring related or use a wire brush on the socket, make sure you shut your lights off so you don't create a short and blow any fuses or anything. So like I said, to install the new bulbs, whether it be the LEDs or the factory incandescents, you're just going to go ahead and push it into place. Remember, clean up the socket if you need to. There we go. Now you're just going to line up the tabs. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the one tab down here is bigger than the one up here, so it can only go in one way. And then we're going to line it up with the notch in the light housing, and just gently rotate clockwise. You'll feel it stop. It's about an 1/8 turn or 1/4 turn, and that's it. Just repeat the same on the other side. So here's a before shot, and here's an after shot. It's actually brighter in person than it is on camera. If I get a little closer here, you can see that it is in fact brighter. I know it's daylight out, so this is kind of a bad comparison, but trust me, it is brighter. So you always want to make sure to check the lights before calling it quits, because LED lights can be directional, meaning sometimes when you plug them in, they don't work. You have to take the bulb out, rotate it, and put it back in. These ones seem to be okay. They're both working, as you can see. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Make sure to hit that like button if it did. Subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure to check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. And thanks for watching.